Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Leos. What's there for Leos, please? Okay, so for Leos we have the Judgment on your side. Let's see what's there on your person side, Leos. What's there on the person side of Leos? Message for the person side for Leos, please. Okay, so we have the Four of Pentacles on your person side. Let's see what's the most likely outcome. Okay, so for the most likely outcome we have the King of Cups. Okay, so you're making a decision, Leos, regarding something. It can be regarding somebody coming from the past, or it can be a normal from somebody new also, but yes, it is something major which you have to take a decision on. Here with the Four of Pentacles, somebody is totally closed off, not opening up their emotions perhaps. And as the most likely outcome, we have the King of Cups. So emotions are definitely there. Maybe not showing that much. It can be that, it can be there, but yes, emotions are definitely there. Anyway, let me see what's behind the scenes for this judgment. What's behind the scenes for this judgment card for Leos? What's behind the scenes for this judgment card for Leos? So for judgment we have the Nine of Cups, the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Wheels, okay, and the Six of Cups. With the Hangman, let's have one more, the Knight of Wands, okay, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so let's see what we have for the Four of Pentacles for your person, Leos. So for the Four of Pentacles we have the Four of Pentacles, we have the Page of Wands, the Strength, the Three of Wands, the Judgment here also. So I think both of you are trying to take a major decision here, and the Emperor, Six of Pentacles. Let's see what's there for the King of Cups. What's there for the King of Cups, please? Message for the King of Cups, please. So for the King of Cups we have the Sun. That's beautiful. We have the Sun, the Eight of Cups, oh, the Tower, the Knight of Wands once again, the Queen of Wands, King of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and the Chariot. Okay, So for the Judgment, we have the Nine of Cups, the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Wheels, Six of Cups, the Hangman, the King of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. So Leos, you are taking a decision regarding a situation which is definitely regarding somebody from the past, because we have the Six of Cups over here as a reconciliation card. So with the Nine of Cups, the Seven of Wands, definitely you saw this person as your wish fulfillment. Everything was very good. But here with the Seven of Wands, you have become defensive regarding something. Maybe something had happened definitely over here. One more thing which I am getting here is, though you saw this person as a wish fulfillment, but something happened that you felt that happiness has been scattered, or it's you've lost that happiness for some reason. Okay, it's as if you've scattered it all over the place. Something you've done it, or they have done it, or both of you have done it. It's not that. It's regarding the fact that something had happened which led to the scatteredness, or I should say, like the happiness was diminished. You spilled it off, something like that. And here with the Seven of Wands, you are containing yourself to your own, being on your own, trying to focus on your own self, saying no to anything which disturbs your mental peace, sort of. So maybe you've given up a struggle over here for some reason, but with the Ten of Wheels, things are changing. Things are changing. Things are changing in this situation on which you have perhaps given up your struggle, or you've become defensive in this situation. Things are changing, and with the Six of Cups, there is definitely a reconciliation coming in a situation which was stuck since a long time. And we have the King of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. So this is that person showing up with a lot of passion for a new beginning in the situation which was stuck since a long time. So what I feel here is that you said no, or you became defensive, or you just turned your head away from the situation, though you knew it was your wish fulfillment, but then things were just not moving forward, and because of that you didn't want to deal with it anymore, and that is why you just said, okay, I have had enough of it. I have been waiting since a long time. You are not ready to commit. You are not ready to be with me, and that is what you felt, and that is why you just said no to the person. You turned your head away from the situation, even though there was happiness, but since the things were not moving forward, the situation was hanging for some reason. We'll see that from the other side, what was it. But definitely here with the King of Wands, there is a new beginning, and there is a reconciliation coming in, and this is the decision which you are trying to make for this new beginning. Now that is what you need to take a stand on, or you need to think upon, or you need to decide upon as to do you want to reconcile with them or not. Okay, but yes, with the King of Wands, the passion is there, everything is there, but then yes, King of Wands is not a person who stays. Still they are presenting with the King of Wands energy over here. It's not a person who will stay for long. It's a sort of a temporary type of an energy, or a coming and going type of an energy with a lot of passion. They come in and then they go away, sort of. Anyway, let's see what's there on their side. Maybe they've been doing it in the past. Okay, but they have a new beginning here because the situation was stuck. Maybe it was stuck for this reason, that they were not committing. They were coming and going, 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Maybe that was the reason that it was stuck, and now they are coming in for a new beginning. It can be that way also. And here for the Four of Pentacles, somebody was closed off emotionally, not opening up. For that we have the Page of Wands, the Strength, the Three of Wands, the Judgment, the Emperor, and the Six of Pentacles. So here what I feel is that with the Page of Wands, yes, uh, I don't know, I never feel that it is a small beginning. I always feel as if somebody feels that they've lost the grip on the situation. That's what it is. And it is taking a lot of strength here, and there is a lot of waiting also over here. So somebody is waiting since a long time, perhaps, to get this relationship on track. It's something like that. One more thing, it can be possible that since this person who this somebody here is not opening up, see, it can be vice versa. You have to see where the thing is fitting. But what I am getting here is, since the situation, somebody felt that the situation is getting out of their hands, though it required a lot of strength on their part, but they felt that they need to move on. They turned their back, they're moving away for new horizons, for a new beginning. But with the Judgment, then the Emperor, and the Six of Pentacles, deep within heart of hearts, what I feel is that though it was tough to move away or to think of moving away or turning their back, but since there was a lot of passion in this relationship, we have the Wands all over. So deep within heart of hearts, this person also wanted the reconciliation, and they also wanted to be with you, and they were wishing for that. And with the Emperor and the Six of Pentacles, that's what I feel. This person was totally glued on you within heart of hearts, even if they were not opening up for some reason. I don't know what was the reason, but yes, somebody here had to walk away because somebody was not opening up. And both of you are wishing upon each other. We have the Judgment on both the sides. It's not tough for both of you to leave the situation. Even if you are doing it, we have the strength on this side. And here also, what I have the vibe is that it wasn't that easy for you, this side person also, to walk away. And with the Emperor being there, maybe there is a little bit of a controlling situation. Of the nature of the person was controlling or dominating, but yes, this person is totally glued on to you. But this person, what I am getting here is, this person is very confident, attractive, stable, and all that stuff they have within them. So this person doesn't seem to be having anything negative as such. And with the Six of Pentacles, I think they are wanting to sort it out, or they are also wanting to balance it, because within heart of hearts, it's not easy for them also to walk away from you. I don't know why this person is closed off then. Let's see if we have any information here. With the King of Cups, emotions are there, definitely. With the Sun card being there as the first clarifier, definitely happiness is being restored. With the Eight of Cups, somebody is ready to walk away from the past, leaving the past behind, or even both of you are ready to leave the past behind. We have the Tower, the Knight of Wands, the Queen of Wands, King of Cups, Eight of Swords, and the Chariot. See, what I feel here is that maybe because we have the Hangman and the things were not moving forward, what I feel is that was something has been like a tower moment for this relationship. And for whatever the cards are showing here, what I feel is it's not something that huge. The only thing was that perhaps things were not moving forward, or somebody was not opening up emotionally, because whosoever this person is, somebody is not opening up emotionally, things were not moving forward, maybe there was no commitment, can be that reason, and that was not acceptable by the other person, being the Tower there. And this was the Tower moment for the relationship, because the other person wanted the other person to open up, and since they were not doing that, things were not moving forward, and that made the other person leave and walk away from the situation. That's what I feel. That was the Tower moment. That's what I feel. And with the Eight of Swords, because of that, this relationship was stuck. It was not moving forward because it was not acceptable by the other person. That's what I feel. Though within heart of hearts, both of you wanted each other. But yes, with the Eight of Cups being there, you are ready to leave the past behind also, because we have the Chariot here, the King of Wands, Queen of Wands, King of Cups. So definitely there is passion, there is love, there is happiness being restored, and with the Chariot things are moving forward pretty fast. So what I feel here is that since both of you are totally glued to each other, there is a lot of passion, there are emotions also in this situation. So maybe both of you are now ready to work on this, which was the Tower moment. You are ready to leave whatever it was which caused the Tower moment, which perhaps was, you're ready to leave the past for this Tower moment, and that was that somebody was not opening up. So somebody is ready to leave that behind and open up. They are coming and balancing the situation. There is a new beginning here on the cards. And with the Chariot, once you are able to leave the past behind, once you are able to come out of this self-restricted energy of the Eight of Swords and realize that you have the passion and the love, things get moving pretty fast with the Chariot here. So let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Leos. Get to know each other, learn to meet each other's need for love. Number 44 may be of some significance for you. So that is the message for you. You need to know each other and understand each other's nature and be compatible with each other, and just realize that okay, everyone is not the same. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.